All right, bro. Good morning. How are you guys? Hope you guys are doing well. Today we're gonna be live trading my TopStep 100K account. Right? We are currently in $2,000 drawdown. Off the rip, I hit max stop loss, bro. Off the rip, I hit max stop loss, bro. Off the rip, you feel? Hey, did a little revenge trading. It's all good though. This week we gotta recover, try to make it back. We're gonna go in with $200 per trade. I'm gonna start doing these more often. Excuse the hair. I did just wake up. As you can see, it's 5:48. New York pre-market opening. We're about to get down on this and see what we can do. I was already checking out the daily. Settlement around this monthly support. Yeah, so basically I'm just gonna do my technicals real quick and then see what's going on. But also, let me see if any news is coming out today real quick. Forex Factory. No news today. Chicago PMI, nothing. Light impact. At that gap, it already got filled. Creating settlement. We are literally at a monthly support range right now. So the way the market's been trading, we already know we're trying to look for buys, but we might come down here. Before doing that, we'll see what the market wants to do. It's not up to me. I've been shorting. I'm telling y'all, the past few weeks has been crazy. Donald Trump has been working. I mean, based off of this Fibonacci, we already burn out. Volume to the low side. So I guess at this point, what we'd want to see is an hourly break of this trend line. We have like a bull flag pattern right here. Not bearish on the early chart. Man, this is looking pretty decent for sure, brother. Middle of London session right now as we speak. Literally in the middle of London session, trying to break out this trend line. Supply sell, 545, 6. Getting some resistance. Charting this. Why? Because overall, we're in a bearish market structure, right? Just bought me in. It's only $200, so following the main trend. Just shorts. Typically, looking at London session, you see we had very high volume of shorters always coming in the market at mid-range. We have a supply zone area. Our market is struggling to break through. This is a third touch. 5-minute market structure is not valuable at all. If you look at the 15-minute, we've been bullish into this zone. Now on the lower time frames, we're having resistance. Did give it around 20 points. As I said, since it is following main direction, we're trading with the trend. 1 hour hitting resistance in the midpoint of London session. So first breakout of this hourly trend line, and we'll see what happens. Have conviction in the trades, man. Probably 6. And we're stomped. Just like that. Boom. Stomped. Okay. It's possible we got in too early. That is what I'm going to assume. 6. Just probably a quick liquidity grab. Wow. That's funny. Literally, quick liquidity grab. Get reversed. Going in on the same order because we did just get sniped. Should have probably give it 25 points. It's all good though. Version of push it. Yeah, we got stumped 15 points. Off just like that, dude. We're wicked out. But as I said, conviction in trade. That's the markets, bro. Sometimes you're gonna get wicked out. Sometimes gives you a better entry. Did hesitate a little bit, but I was not gonna let the market lead me. So you gotta manage risk, bro. Capital preservation. It's important. Time my account is low, but see what we can do. We gotta trade properly. We can hit a nice little cheeky run all the way down to this liquidity down here. If we follow true main trend, be shorts. Some volume of sellers down here. You guys seen happen right here was literally a smart money trap. Shit's annoying, but it is what it is. Sometimes that's just the side you're on. Call it whatever you want. Buy side liquidity, sweet. Alright, type shit. And let the trade do what it wants to do, man. Trade rejected this area here. A 1 minute engulfing. Seller stepping in. Buyers just are like, hold on, let me get that money. Boom. I wasn't the only one that got stopped, bro. A lot of retail traders got stopped right there. I should have let my fucking headroom breathe. But nevertheless, we're in the position. Should go well. Let's see what we're looking like. I see this is perfect for sell continuation off of this fib retracement level. If we go based off of London's recent high to the recent low that was just created today, we are now rejecting, as you guys can see, this 0.786 area. And the 0.618, this is a golden zone, and this is an ultra golden zone of respected as a rejection continuation of the true trend. So this is exactly what we would want to see for sell side to continue. All right, clearly these 1 minute candles are very big, a lot of information, very confusing. You don't have to stay on that chart. I just like to look at it, see what's going on. What's more important is this 15 minute 5 minute are rejecting a little bit. I'll keep our eyes open, but I mean, it's pre-market opening. Just typical Monday morning. We are using this as support though. It's kind of scary. Let's see what happens from here. South side. We have a big ass fair value gap in here. I'll be right back. Remember, this is London's mid-range. Make a coffee. All right. Little 1 and 1.5. Man, don't start rejecting right when I come back, bro. Nah, so this is going in my favor. People are seeing what I'm seeing in a valuable supply zone with that quick break with 1 hour trend line. That is not going to hold. Not in a bearish market, boys. We are going to come down and claim these liquidities. Kid you not. Might see a little rejection, a little bounce play, little bounce. Hopefully not. Maybe we just go all the way to the fucking bottoms, which would be most ideal. The market does whatever it wants. So we also got to come back, fill this fair value gap, and I'm a little nervous. Every time I see these fair value gaps get touched, they're respected, bro. But I'm telling you also, since we are in a bearish market, you see, I like the 5 minute, bro, because it just simplifies everything. I mean, there is a potential chance for reversal around here. I wouldn't say up here, bro. Too much wikis. We need more touch points right here. Could be potential, but see what happens. I'm saying fuck the money, bro. Not even thinking about the money no more at this point, bro. Literally, I was thinking. Here, look, let me talk to you real quick. Literally, focusing on the money makes you do illogical things, bro. Take illogical trades that are not there just because we are hopeful. So I lost my actual XFA account on, I think, Thursday. I was embarrassed. And then I immediately purchased this account. I was like, man, what the fuck? I'm about past this, bro. What? Boom. Took 2 contracts, shorting MNQ. It's $20 per tick. We were up like 600, 500 at a point, 1,000. But at that point, I didn't have no trading strategy, no trading rules. Didn't know what I was looking for. Went counter to the actual trend and got stomped out for max stop loss on this fresh ass account, bro. So it's very embarrassing, very humiliating. We live, we learn, we prepare, we adapt and implement. That's what you got to do. 30 seconds to this close, candle close. Still bearish. See how that 15 minute ended up. Yeah, bro. So we got a doji at the supply zone confirmation after the buy side liquidity sweep. Clearly didn't want to hold. And now we're melting. Now we're melting. We have an engulfing 15 minute, but we have 5 minutes till full closure. Oh, but we're melting, bros. Gotta be careful with shit like that, bro. Don't slap you in. Gotta be careful with shit like that. They don't slap you in the face, bro. Remember, you entered the trade for a reason. Don't let the market convince you otherwise until proven. You understand? Fresh as 5 minute candle. We just saw sellers step in immediately on that close. Push down low. Buyers also entered at that what could be support. But we're not even fighting towards London lows yet. And we want to see a sweep at least of the first London low. Wow, the lowest low of the session should be right here. It is looking like it's towards that fair value, yeah, boys. We'll see how this plays out, man. Patience, it's a waiting game. I want to go make my black coffee, bro. I cannot trade without my black coffee. I tried today and I couldn't. Have conviction, stay patient, understand what's going on. I really do want to see this close below the 182 level. I want to see it close, preferably under 180s. If we do that, I have strong conviction that we are going to keep going lower till at least my lowest sell side. TP1, TP2, full TP would be literally this yellow line. If we hit full TP, that's a 1 of 5. If you risked $500, we're going to make $2,500 at a full close if we do come all the way down there. Hypothetical, but that's what risk to reward is. So what's going on? Like the volume we're seeing right now, right at 1.3. She's doing very well as we speak, touching that fair value gap. Let's get into the half mid range. We do not want to see it respect the fair value gap. We still want to see that close under the 180. Right now we're trading at 17.5. See what happens. Very close to London low. Sellers stepping in. Sellers stepping in, boys. Yeah, very bearish. Very, very, very bearish. Hitting that break. The break of the 1 hour trend line that we were using, hitting a breakthrough. So if we could close below it, definitely gonna hold this trade to at least this low for 100 points. Nasdaq is about to open, as a matter of fact. Should I get out? Fuck it. Market's about to open, boys. I usually don't like holding trades past market open, but we're gonna see what happens, bro. We're already sitting up from entry, 50 points low from entry, so see what happens. It could happen very quick, just boom. It's just scary because it's Nasdaq's open, bro. New York Stock Exchange. Let's see. Could literally bounce up, come all the way back to this 5 minute, and then short. Just watch. Be patient. If we fucking fly by, bro, it's New York opening. I called it. We did tap in that fair value gap, as I said earlier. Just watch. Rejection. Seller stepping in. Still too early. So a little too early. Get that 1 minute, bro. 30 points. But literally, what I'm expecting now that we clearly got that rejection, sellers might just fucking go boom within the next 10 minutes. Possible, but hypothetical. We just created an order block essentially on the 1 minute chart right here. Would be good for shorts. Let's see what's going on here. Oh my mama. This is amazing. Pink. Fuck, man. It's because it's a 1 minute. But that shit could push all the way down, how I said. We just got TP1 stomped. I'm holding to lows. Holding to lows. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. I'm out. I'm out. I'm out. I'm out. I'm out. Now you're getting greedy. I'm out. New York open, bro. We're out. Boom. See? Just recovered. 4.5 is good. See, bro? We just recovered. Trading logistically. Trading with the plan, bro. Look. Yes, I know, man. I could have managed the risk. I could have taken partials, whatever. But I didn't. These are things I could work on. So, look. Let's see. If I would have held it for 1 more minute. So, we got 1-4-7. If I would have held it till now. Woo! That just goes to show, bro. Leverage. It's not impossible. All right, man. We got my account setting pretty well now. Trading logistically. Damn, boys. Oh my goodness. We could have been. It's all good. Look. It's all good, right? Look, let me talk to y'all real quick, bro. It's all good. I'm not even gonna show you what's happening in the market, cause then y'all are gonna be thinking, damn, this. You feel me? Bro, 6:30 market open. I woke up at 5:30. Y'all see me lose the first trade just because of a little wick rejection. Buy side liquidity grab. Bro. All right, look, check out what just happened. If I would have held that trade to monthly support, where I knew it was going. That's why I have it there. Look, it's even following the Fibonacci that I had placed earlier. That's where it's going. -27. That's gonna be a TP. But am I sad about it? No. What was the goal today? Goal was to make some money to try to get this account back to at least starting balance. First trade I lost, $200. Boom. Rip. Off the rip. You guys seen that, bro. I'm going to upload this footage as is on my trading account. So winning again, $200 position. Boom. We hit a $200, wanted basically, well, look, it's a 1-5, right? 1-5 basically. What we could have had, we held a 1-10. And our account would have been in a break-even state. But we hit it right here on that sell side liquidity. That's exactly what I was looking for, boys. TP1 got hit, TP2, I told you I closed it before TP3, right? We had a system. Followed the rules and we reaped the rewards. Trading well, but that's awesome. It really went to the monthly support, basically 1900 area, 1900 flush. If it's NQ, I'm pretty sure it would be 1900 flush, but we're trading minis, so they're not exactly the same price action wise, numbers wise. I mean, clearly we might end up getting a chance for re-entry here, but honestly, I wouldn't want to take this trade. Wow. That's amazing. That's like a 200-point dumper. On the top of it, almost 200 points, 170. Those are blessings. Those are called blessing candles, bro. Blessings. That was awesome. Thank you. All right, so I'm just going to upload this for you guys right now as is. Recovering from negative drawdown, 100K. TopStep account, right? Yeah, pretty raw. This is what I'm saying though. These markets have a science, man. It's all logistical. It's all there. You just literally have to know what's going on. And I've been doing a lot of studying. Like, I don't know if you guys see this little area I have in my setup. I know you guys haven't seen my actual setup. If you've been watching my vlogs on Matthew Nunez, those vlogs are 2 years old. So I'm pushing out the old content. Basically have a little catalog for you guys to watch who I am and whatnot. But the newer content, once that starts coming out, you'll be able to see what's actually going on in regards to now. But I have my little study side setup right here. This is my work trading setup. But I have organization. You sit down there, journal later, see what we could have done, see how market ended up going to monthly support. We could have held for longer profits. There's a lot, man. A lot of things we can implement to improve. Telling you guys, trading is a never-ending educational process. The moment you become stagnant is the moment you become ignorant, you know? Anyways, I could talk to y'all all day. Trading session today was 50 minutes from when I woke up. Woke up around 5:30, hopped on the charts around 5:40. Started recording around then. I hope this is a little insightful for you guys. We're trading micro NQ, mini NQ. Just $2 per tick compared to Nasdaq, $20 per tick. Have more leverage. Once again, this was a 100K TopStep account. We were in drawdown. I was around $800 from blowing the account. Thankfully, we were able to cover pretty well. I can continue to trade today if I want, since I am now in a higher headroom. I will do so if an opportunity presents itself. If not, I'm not going to force anything. I do trade till basically 8, so I will be sitting here scoping out what's going on. I'm going to walk a little bit, refresh my brain. I'll go outside, enjoy the rain a little. Not necessarily outside, but just like vibe. I like enjoying nature in the morning. It's not too many people up, not too many cars moving. But yeah, anyways, if you guys like this type of content, as I said, I just woke up, bro. This is what I do for work. I just woke up. So feel me. Don't judge me right now. Go watch the vlog channel if y'all want to see me. You feel me? See me getting fly, see me getting ready and whatnot. You guys can go do that. But I appreciate everyone tuning in. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe if you guys are interested in seeing more content like this. It's going to be uploaded on MN.Trades. Appreciate y'all. Stay consistent, stay disciplined, follow your rules. If you don't have a system, create one that is proven to work with your strategy and manage that risk, bro. Live to trade another day. Don't be like me, bro. Don't be trying to get rich quick, bro. Don't be burning money. Literally, don't be burning money. I've already got paid out by TopStep. And actually, it was my second futures account that I ever got with them. It was a 50K. Passed it within like the first 3 weeks. I passed it quicker, but I got my payout within like the first 3 weeks of me getting the account. Paid myself $820. That's the first time I ever got paid from a firm. I applauded myself. I was happy. But yeah, boys, trade safe, be smart. Talk to y'all tomorrow. Take care.